Greetings, YouTube. Is that a magazine? No. It's a box, shaped like one, containing a Boker Kalashnikov. Yay. I've wanted one of these for a while. Tax return, plus that last video Blade HQ had to get one. It's snappy, like they said. And as usual with Boker products, the grind is subpar. Everything else about the knife seems tight and solid. So I'll reprofile that on my workshop. It'll be beautiful and great. Let's see here. Let's scoot the magazine aside here. So there is the Kalashnikov. Let's see if I can find a Boker. We have. There it is compared to a Quaken. Making a YouTube video! Yes, come join the fun. There it is next to another auto. Here it is next to another auto. William, say hi.
Hi.
I'm doing a knife video.
Oh. A knife YouTube video.
Yes, a knife YouTube video. I don't have any other decent autos to throw in the mix here, but you get the idea. It's a little bit smaller than your standard stiletto.
Yeah, I wish I would have something to be up here with you.
Well, maybe next time.
Yeah.
So that's it. It's light, solid, obviously push button, easy to operate. Not super sharp, bad grind. I don't know well it's gonna focus for me here. You almost kind of see it. I can clean that up. I was actually thinking about putting a little choil on there because I just like that. But personal preference, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, Kalashnikov. That is my review, and remember, safety is always #1 priority.